It hurts.
Right?
I have no feeling anymore.
I think you wanna kill something inside you.
I wanna die. I don't wanna be here anymore.
Do you think life is beautiful?
Life is really bad. What is a beautiful life? We just suffer here. Same place, same people. They're just hurting you all the time. There is injustice. So what's beautiful life? If there is no these things, which makes it beautiful.
Then why people outside are happy? They laugh, they live.
Because they just wearing masks. They are not happy. They just pretend they are happy. Life is really difficult. We are in the dark here. We are in the dark here. I don't wanna be here anymore. I wanna die. I wanna die. I don't wanna be here anymore. It's really. I don't wanna be here anymore. They just pretend they are happy. They are not happy. They cannot. Because there is no happiness here. There is no happiness here. This is life.